Part C is write out an expression for and find the present value of $1,000 received 5 years from today if the continuously compounded interest rate is 6% per year. So when you're doing present value, you want to use this formula. Assuming the interest rate is compounded continuously. A equals V times e to the minus RT. Okay. And here you're given that the future value, V, is $1,000. Okay. Again, the time is 5, and the interest rate is 0.06. The continuously compounded interest rate is 0.06. So now you just plug in, and you get A, which is what you want to solve for, is 1,000 times e to the minus 0.06 times 5. So it's 1,000 times e to the minus 0.30, or just minus 0.3. And calculating e to the minus 0.3 power, moving the decimal point over 3 places, you get to the nearest penny $740.82. Okay. Again, that answer makes sense because if you have to wait 5 years before you get the $1,000, the value today of that promise is going to be less than 1,000. So that answer makes sense. Your answer has to be something less than 1,000, as long as the interest rate is positive. Okay. All right. So that makes sense. Or in other words, if you had $740.82 today, what would that be worth in 5 years if the continuously compounded interest rate is 0.06? Be worth 1,000. So that's why this is the present value of this promise. So you had the money now, you could invest it and be earning interest over the 5 years and end up with 1,000. So this is the present value of this promise that you're going to get $1,000 5 years from today. Okay.